Well, people seem to understand it. His English is very good. Yes. Well, both. Very well. Very well. We were in the supermarket yesterday and thinking, what is this? And I said to the young lady...
Her name is Vega.
Lovely name.
It's more unusual.
Yeah, but...
Is it unusual in German?
Oh, look at these. That's really good as well. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good that's
Can do everything. Everything possible.
Getting recruited is really nice. So many different landscapes and
Raw deer. White one. Mama. But it was awesome, I think.
They're wonderfully ugly.
Daha yavaş.
You can look. They don't like it.
Haben Sie auch hier so
Ah ja. Hast du ein kaputtes?
Ja, aber nicht das vieles. Reicht selber. Wir wollen das selber.
So cute. My name is Anne. I come from England.
And my name is Clive, and I'm her husband from England.
We like the camp here very much. It's wonderful. Great welcome. Perfect.
Yes, and it has facilities which we need, and it's so near the park that we feel that we can go in and out whenever we need to and want to.
My name's Mary. Hello.
I'm Manuel. And this is Alma and this is Vega.
Nice to meet you.
In the last year we've camped a lot.
Where did you came from?
We came from eastern Turkey now.